Hey guys, I'm at Pastries. Placed my order already. I'll come to pick it up. I'm gonna try it out. But the owner or the worker over here is gonna tell me about the pastries and what they're like. So we are. Alrighty.
So, welcome to Pastries Pachuca. Actually, we have our pasties. This actually started in England, in Cornwall, England. Pasties are from there, and some miners came to Mexico and established by Pachuca Hidalgo. That's a state, and in a little village it's called Real del Monte, which they brought it in. They work over there because we have mines of silver, and they brought this culture, and we made it a little more open. So now we have all the Mexican ingredients like the green mole, red mole, potatoes and meat and stuff like that. We also have sweets like arroz con leche. We have strawberry with cream cheese, blueberry cream cheese, guava cream cheese, dulce de leche, and all that are really good. You should come try. The dough is a pastry dough. We make it from scratch, everything from scratch. So you should come over and taste it.
What's your address here again?
721 North Rancho Drive. And we're open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. except Wednesdays. We close about 4 p.m.
Okay, and you guys just had an anniversary, and congratulations
Yes,
to you.
2 years already, and it's getting better. So people are starting to know us a little more. So
And we can find you on social media.
you can find us in social media, TikTok and everywhere else.
All right, what are you gonna have me try today?
I'm gonna have you try the potatoes and meat, which that's the original pasty.
Oh, okay.
And it's
Oh man, that
really
looks good.
nice, really nice.
Oh man.
The inside it's great, so
Alrighty.
you will love it. Sugar cane,
Sugar cane.
and also we put a little cinnamon, star anise, and a little clove.
Okay.
So when you taste it, it's just totally different.
All right.
It's
Got my bike just hanging out. Got me over here. So yeah, guys, got a little history lesson over here. Getting ready to try out some food and see what it's like. The coffee so far, coffee was really good. I ain't gonna lie about that. You know, I like my coffee too. So what I did was I pre-ordered before I got here. Wow, that looks good. Turn it around. Holy smoke, that looks good. So yeah, when I arrived, my food was ready. All I gotta do is just eat and enjoy. Like a little food critic over here, huh? Good.
good.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah.
So the owner, which was a chef for a lot of these hotels and things like that for over 30 years, brought me over a little history of the pastries. Introduced in 1924 by the miners who arrived in Mexico from Cornwall, England. Pastries were originally prepared with raw meat, potato, and vegetables. They were made with a thick crimped edge along one side so the miners could use as handles to hold on to while eating, discarding the crimped part, avoiding cross-contamination because miners' hands could often be covered in arsenic from the mine. Interesting stuff. So I came here just to try the food out, meet the owner, got some history lesson, got some great coffee, great food, and great conversation. Alrighty. That was good. On to the next one. Alrighty. So now let's try this. It's like pot pie, good. I feel him. Okay, so we're just talking about the pasties. I didn't realize that pasties came in meat as well. I'm used to just like sweet pasties, and I'm getting ready to try another one that is sweet, more what I'm used to. All right, so we're going to try another one. This I know about here.
Yeah, it's good.
All right,
good
cool.
stuff. Yeah.
Yes, I'm learning a lot here. I got all the education. It's like I came in for one thing, didn't realize that I was totally lost. I didn't know what pasties were.
Yeah, no, it's got a nice history behind it.
Yeah.
It's a little culture of the food, and we have a few pictures also of or back from hometown. That's the state of Pachuca right there.
Uh-huh.
That's the main plaza. And then that's the my hometown right there.
The one with the writing there?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And then all the good, nice places to go visit, like for tourists. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Good history.
Yeah, see why I come to the Life Beyond the Strip, because you don't get this information on the Strip. They just want to take your money and send you down the way. Over here, we get to hang out, meet people, try pastries. This was good. I liked it. So now I'm going to dig into this one. The blueberry one. This is good. So I did learn about pasties today. I didn't know that there's a difference. My favorite are these. I'm not going to lie. This is good, but my favorite is this one. You guys see a nice breakfast, come on over and hang out. I had lunch and dinner. I didn't realize I had lunch and dinner, so I will be back. You guys know I like my tacos. All right, guys, on to the next spot. Just had a great breakfast this morning. Been meaning to hang out here and finally got it in. So yeah, so far so good. Let's head on out, guys.